What's up, Jesscateyesquad? So, we know that you guys wanted to see a vlog from us, so we're going to try to do a vlog about what it's like in our regular day from wake up until going to sleep. And today I don't have to work, so I'll be home. There's Soraya. She's asleep. So look, there's Vincent. Vincent's awake already. He beat me. He's the first one up and he's playing his video games. And what game are you playing?
Fortnite.
Fortnite? I don't think it's Fortnite. Is it Fortnite? This looks like Overwatch. Is it? Is it? Why are you trying to trick me? Because you think I'm a senior citizen? And here's our little birdie. It's so funny because she always has short-term memory. I can hold her for hours and hours, and then the next day she forgot. Who am I? And she'll try to bite my finger, but sometimes I just get her down with a cloth at first, and she's very friendly after that. It's hot cocoa and cappuccino. Hi, morning guys. They're in their cage, but I just took them out for the video. A lot of people let their guinea pigs run around all day long, but I'm scared because they don't have much of a neck, you see, so if I put a little collar on them with a bell, it might choke them or it might fall off. We tried it, and they also go poop and pee a lot, and I don't have time to keep cleaning up the poop and pee. So that's why if I'm not watching them out of their cage, they go back in there. I do see people on the internet, they have some really nice setups for their guinea pigs where they have a lot of space to run around and they put blankets down for them. We just usually use like a large, you know, the pads where the dogs go pee. We usually use those large pads, but you have to keep an eye on them. They're so little and they love to hide. Like this one, if I scratch its side, his leg will usually his leg will kick like a duck. This one's so fuzzy. I just love this one. So fluffy. And this girl's so smooth. Her fur is so smooth and silky, and this one's so puffy. It's hard to pick which one's my favorite. They're just the most the cutest little things. I got them this RV that we got at a yard sale, and actually I got this at Goodwill. I love Goodwill, guys. If you ever need some stuff for like a low price, yeah, you can go to Goodwill. Goodwill has some good finds. And this is their little hangout spot. We never shut the door, but they like to go in there and hide. Well, time to go check on Sandy and cook some breakfast. And here's Sandy. Sandy, come on. Sandy, up. Sandy, hi. This is our dog, and she's 5 years old. Her name is Sandy, and she's a terrier Yorkie, and she's so sweet. High five. High five. Yeah, good job. Sit. Sit. Speak. Spin. And let's see. Shake. Good girl. And bang. Bang. Good girl, Sandy. Oh, I want to get a treat for you. I'm gonna go get a piece of turkey from the refrigerator. Okay, she deserves a piece of turkey. Have your turkey. Give me the turkey. Give me the turkey. Sandy, come on. Who wants a turkey? So I'm cooking some beef for the family and some mashed potatoes and some French onion soup and maybe like some French fries. That will be our family feast. So every Sunday is a little family feast day where we just eat like a little bit extra than we normally do. There's the beautiful steak with me. And we also have some watermelon and fresh fruit and apple cider. Here you go. Here's your steak. Wow, aren't you gonna take a bite for the vlog? Oh. Come on, turn it around. Right, Vincent, do you like Sundays? Because Sunday you get, we always have like steak usually for Sunday. Yeah. Oh, there's a birdie. It's a cute little birdie. And they're making a nest up here. You see, it's like a little lumpy mess of of sticks. It's this little cute bird right here. Whoa, are you giving Pikachu a ride? No! Pikachu, get ouchie. Pick up Pikachu. Today's a special day for Vincent because he hit 300 subscribers on his channel, Grouchy Muffin. So to celebrate, I ordered him the Chipotle burrito. And if you, Vincent says that when you order it online, it's way bigger than what they gave you at the store. Look how huge it is. That's really big. And yeah, so Vincent hit 300 subscribers. He's really happy. And if you didn't get a chance to see his channel, maybe you'll like his content. It's Grouchy Muffin, right? Alright, congratulations, Vincent. It's hard to get that many subscribers, but you did it.
Yay.
Bye, love you. Oh no. The chocolate's running out. Oh, where's the other chocolate? Where's the other chocolate? Yahoo! Okay. You want to mix the chocolate? I think it'll make it messy. Here, wait. I think I better do it.
I might make it.
Are you going to shake it? Shake. There's no chocolate. You got to shake it up and down. Shake it. Whoa. Special day. It's going to be Lona's party. Well, we're just having a little family dinner because she's turning 12. And Grandma is cooking some shrimp, crunchy shrimp. And Grandpa's cooking some corn.
Happy birthday.
Has some fresh fruit.
Holola, happy birthday, Holola. Every day, happy, yeah. Love you.
And Grandma's cooking a lot of good food today.
Yeah, Holola.
Oh my gosh! Somebody climbed on the counter of the sink. You're so quiet like a ninja, and you broke something of mine. Get down! She is so wild. Birthday girl, she's turning 12.
Mom, it's not my birthday yet.
She has 2 more days. So today today's a vlog. Does your friend want to be in our vlog?
Yeah, Eileen,
Eileen.
you want to be in our vlog? Because my mom's recording right
Hi,
now.
Eileen. Do you want to be in our vlog? Do you want to say happy birthday?
It's not even my birthday. But sure.
There's Eileen. They're on chat call because that's what they do.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Helena.
And this is in Vincent's room. Do you guys know what this is? Of course, no Fortnite. But I wonder what this is from. I wonder if anybody knows. Oh, well, sticker I got for Vincent on eBay. On eBay, though, it looked like it was going to be so huge, but actually it's small. See, look, I can put my hand. 1, 2, 3. It's like 5 hands long. I had this imagination it was going to be huge. It was going to take up like the whole wall. That's why I ordered it. Guess what? I'm going to the store to buy you ice cream cake now.
Okay.
You got a favorite flavor?
I like the one from Trader Joe's.
Okay. Well, we went out shopping and now it's nighttime. And we got Lona some ice cream and cream puffs. And we're gonna go inside and we are going to give it to Helena and eat our feast. And then we'll continue our vlog in there. Sushi, shrimp, corn. I already ate the steak. We were late. We got
How are you gonna send it to my phone if I have no service?
There was Helena's cake wasn't available that she really wanted, the tiramisu cake, so we got frozen cream puffs and these little chocolate ice cream bar. And look, Vincent got that one. You see it for myself. This syrup at the store because we heard that this syrup will be discontinued. Our favorite syrup this will be like, we're not sure when they're going to change the label, but eventually they're going to change this label because, I don't know, somehow they feel that people feel like it's offensive. So we got it as a collectible. These are groceries. See, we got chips, French toast sticks, chocolate milk, croissant rolls, coffees. Yeah. Vincent loves this iced coffee drink and orange juice. And we have to wear masks when we go out. Now it's time to eat. And on this day, I made this drawing. If you want to see it, you can check it out on our YouTube channel. Plus, I made another drawing today with the Clarence and Jeff and Sumo from Clarence. We love that show. Alana, are you enjoying this day? Mm-hmm. This is for our vlog.
Yeah, I was able to talk to my friend earlier.
Do you want to say anything?
So I played with Soraya all day with Minecraft, and then I also was talking to my friend while playing Minecraft. My friend can join, but she had Nintendo Online, so yeah.
Oh, sweet. And just, it's not her real birthday today. 2 more days to her real birthday.
Wow, you told me all the information now.
I'm hungry now, so I have to take a break and eat food. We're all full and it's time for us to go to sleep, and this is the end of our vlog. Good night, everyone, and thanks for watching.
Ow, you're crushing my leg, Mom.
Okay, hold on, let's say. What do you want to tell everybody? Okay, well, Soraya's gonna say goodnight. Let's say goodnight.
Good night.
Video.
Was the reason why I should subscribe to you.
We hope that you like this video, and if you're new to our channel, hope you'll subscribe. We have a lot of videos. Bye.
Bye.